Okay guys, welcome to the part 2 of this video. In the last video, which is I talked about the websites that are very important for your Amazon KDP business. Yes, you can check that at the description for this video. Yes. So, and I explained more. I talked about the ASIN, the website, what it do for you. I talked about the seller app, what it does, and I talked about self-publishing titles, and finally I talked about bookboat.io, then this and keywordtool.io. Sorry. Then finally, we'll be talking about KDP keyword extensions, and I said I'll be telling you all this practical how all these extensions work and how you can use them to get good keywords that are profitable, because the essence of Amazon, when you go to amazon.com, is for you to know the profitability of any keyword you're using. If it's a spiritual book for women, you have to know the profitability and some stuff. Just like when you come to amazon.com and some other stuffs, there are good questions that we ask ourselves. How do people search for book? Only 2% will search for the title of a book. For example, sell like crazy. When you come here, you want to write sell like crazy. You can come here and put the word sell like crazy, hit on enter, and you're going to see one book called Sell Like Crazy. If you move down, you might not see anything called Sell Like Crazy. This is called the Sell Like Crazy plan. Okay, people trying to mimic all these stuffs, and you see this one and this might have take permission from this guy who owns this book. Okay, the selling plan, or this guy who owns this one, Sell Like Crazy, this one, the selling plan. They are two different books, but you can see this is strictly modeling, because this was in red and white, and this guy as well did his own in red and white. So what is the secret to Amazon KDP success? It is called keyword metrics and analysis. When I say keyword metrics and analysis, it means you must understand why a particular keyword works very well. You can see this one is already working. The reason it's working is because I wanted it to work. That is just it. So now let's get into business. What is the most important keyword extension when you are beginning? The first thing I want to learn, if I'm not using the website, because I've talked about the part 1, I want you to watch that part 1. It's very important. Yes, come to my YouTube channel and search for it. You will see what I'm talking about. All right, so back to what I was saying and some other stuffs. We are going to be doing something very serious and something very important right now. The first extension I want to add is called Amazon Expander, because when you come here, you're searching for something. Let's say you come here and write coloring. You can see we have Amazon, not the Titan Pro, I don't know why. You can see we have a lot of stuff trying to tell you I'm expanding on this keyword. You can see we have loads of beautiful information. You can see from here we have coloring, and you can export this and use it later. You can download all this suggestion. And how do you get this extension to work for you? Go to Chrome Web Store. You can just go straight to Chrome Web Store like this. So we're going to go to Chrome Web Store. If you are using your smartphone, this you have to download Kiwi browser. So we're going to say Chrome Web Store. Then it's going to take you direct to Chrome Web Store. Then you're going to hit on the search. Yes, you can hit on the search. Come here and write Amazon Expander. So come there and write Amazon Expander. Let's see what comes up. You can see it is called Amazon Suggestion Expander. I've already installed this software on my system. Then if you use your smartphone, simple, just write Kiwi. Just search for Kiwi browser. Then it's going to take you Kiwi browser. Just come here and write Kiwi browser. Then when you see the Kiwi browser, download it immediately. I believe we should have that. Look at it, Kiwi browser. Then on my YouTube channel, it's very simple. Search for how to install extension. Let's come here and say how to install extension on iPhone. If you're using iPhone, just search for that. Search for video. There should be a video related to that. Then you can move on to installing extensions. You can see we have a lot of videos on how to install extensions. So I'm just trying to pull down and see what we have for there. Okay, we have more. You can still search for how to install extension on Android. Yes. So if you want that, On Android, any stuff, just move down there. You will see the particular video you are looking for and pick one of all these and install that. You can see here we have how to install Chrome extension on iOS. This is my own. Then just follow through this video and watch all the other videos on how to install extensions. Now back to Amazon. So now you've installed that stuff, you will want to see how it works. It's called Amazon Expander. So I'm going to go straight to my extension and turn it off. Look at it here. So this is the extension. Okay, I'm pinning it here. Let me just see if I can turn this off. Let me go to manage extension. So let me come straight to manage extension. Let me turn it off. Then let's see what the function of Amazon AMZ suggestion expander. So we're going to come here and search Amazon.com. We're going to go straight to the website. Then we're going to write coloring. So let's come here and write coloring. It's very important. So write coloring. Then you can see the only suggestion we have is just this. The reason why this is coming is because I permitted it. Yes, I don't want anything to work right now. So let me just turn everything off. Let me just go straight to this extension called Titan Quick View. Let me come here and turn it off immediately. So I'm trying to turn them off very, very fast. Then let me just go straight and manage this extension. Then let me turn them off. Good. So I'm turning everything off so that we can see how all these extensions work one after the other. So I'm going to come straight to this place. I'm going to turn this off because I'm using the pro version of Titan. At the end, I want to tell you something important on how you can get Canva and connect with me, because it's very important we become friend on this business. So let's just reload this and see if this stuff is going to go away. So over here now we have the coloring. Yes, so let's come straight to the coloring and click on search again. Now we just have coloring book for adults. There is no other suggestion in this place. And there are tons and tons. So even though we write coloring book, put space, you are going to see the only suggestion we have is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just 10 suggestions from Amazon website. But when you install these extensions, which I just gave you, which is one of the expander, just calm down now. Let's see how this first extension works, which is called Amazon Expander. So we're going to come straight to this place and look for that expander and see where it is. I'm trying to look for it. If you can see, just shout and say, I've seen it. Yes, if you've not seen it, just be patient like me. Then instead, if I don't want to waste much time, I'm going to go straight to Chrome Web Store without wasting much time. So I'm going to pick on this and say manage extension. So let's go straight to manage extension. I'm going to click on my extension. I'm going to search for that particular one, or still I can just be on the web store. Let me just write expander and see where it is. You can see now I'm going to turn this off, and you can go straight to the details of it, move down to this place of it, and turn on Ignito so that you can use this on Ignito browser. Ignito browser means they will not track you, nothing. No one will store your information. To go to Ignito, click here, you see new Ignito window. On your smartphone, you will see it as well. Just click on tab. You will ask you, is it Ignito or a private tab? Anyone, just pick any private or Ignito window. Now we have this. Now we've turned it on. Let's reload this page and see the difference and know what each one do for you. So we're going to write coloring book. Now we're going to click on enter. Now when we click on enter, we're going to leave our mouse inside here and see if that expander will start to work. If it refuses to work, there is nothing to worry about. Now we still at this place. Let's just put book. Okay, let's put book and see what comes up. We're not getting the exact stuff we're looking for. So maybe we want to go to the next one called quick view. Okay, we have it already. So the expander is working already. Now you can see we have coloring book for adults, trying to suggest everything, trying to tell you, and you can see we have tons and tons, trying to tell you what people are searching on other websites, keyword after it, for adult, for kids, for toddler, set for teens, coloring book for girls. You can see more searches. You can see that is one first extension that is very, very beautiful. Number 2 extension, which is very, very important, is called the quick view. So we're going to be using the Titan quick view. Just go straight to this place, move down to I'm going straight to my extension called Titan quick view. So what I'll do now is to manage my extension, go to your Chrome Web Store and search for it. So yeah, I'm going to write quick view and see if I can get anything. Quick view, you can see Titan quick view. This is what you are going to search. So let's go to the Chrome Web Store. I think we should be at the Chrome Web Store. Let me bring it close. Then let's just write quick view and see. Titan quick view. So I'm going to put Titan quick view. You can see I've already installed it. Ensure you install this, the BSR, which is bestseller ranks, niche data, and keyword this. So we have this installed. So I'll go straight to my extension. If it's not turned on, I'm going to turn it on. Then we'll go straight to Amazon. Now we're going to load and see the difference between this expander and the quick view. With a quick view, you have a better understanding of what you are doing. Quick view is going to tell you the BSR of it, which is the bestseller rank of it. Now you can see a lot of things is coming up trying to tell us the total result of this. I'm going to just click outside this stuff so that we can have that. Okay, the total result under coloring books, though we can see over 80,000. It's not approximate, it's not 80,000 on the dot, but more than 80,000. That means it can be up to 150,000 search result. So over here now it's telling us the exact match for this coloring book. The independent publishers, people like us who are not a company, we that just use our smartphone or we use our laptop to publish, we are called independent publisher. That's going to tell us the bestseller rank. The lower the bestseller rank, the better for you. If it's too high, you won't want to go for this. The reason why it's taking time is because this keyword is very, 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 very broad. Yes, very, very, very broad. Then the reviews is going to tell you the reviews and some other stuffs in this place as well. Now what I'll do now is let's just write the first one we started with, sell like crazy, so that we can have a better result, so that we can analyze this stuff we're looking for. Okay, so let's just click on sell like crazy and we are good to go. So where I sell like crazy loads, it's going to load no time soon, and we will have something we can call our own. So now look at it. We have the sell like crazy is pulling up. We have the total result coming up soon. You can see Titan Deep View. They just introduced Titan Deep View. I already have the Pro. If I want to use the Pro, all I'll just do is just click here, sign in immediately, and I can enjoy the benefit of the Pro. But for the sake of this tutorial, since I talked about free stuff, let's enjoy this free. So I don't know why it's taking much time, but I believe it's going to come up anytime soon. All right, so now we have this. I want to explain what this does. Now we have this one called total result 164. That means when the result is not much, it's better. It means you can write a lot of books on this and you rank better. You can see average bestseller rank. This is not a good keyword to write about, because few people are not searching for it. That is why you see few people are searching for this. Only few people are searching for this, writing on this keyword. There's no way this keyword will rank, because this is 1,000. That means you'll be having just a sales of like one sales in 5 days, which is not good. So if you have, the bestseller rank should not be more than 100,000. Your search result should not be more than 1,000. From my own, yes, for the exact match for this particular phrase, it's just 12 people who has used this word sell like in a particular stuff. Then the review, it's high. The price range is 8.4. These are extensions that are free that you can use. They are totally free. But the Pro is still the best though, but you can start from here. Now we've talked about this. For example, your phone does not support this Titan Quick View. The next thing you want to install is called DS. Yes, look at, let me open it. We're going to go straight DS Amazon Quick View. What this do for you is when it's turned on, just search on this DS Amazon Quick View. What this thing work is when you move on any this thing, you are moving around, you can see by the right, it's going to tell you the publisher name, the language. Just look at this right place. That's the language, the ISBN number. You can see around the body. So it's going to move down and it's going to tell you this is coming up. When you move down, you can see by the right, trying to tell you, hey, this has a custom 82 rating. It's trying to tell you the everything that is here. It makes it faster without having to spend too much time. Text to speech enabled. You don't have to open it. You have all the details you want. You can see it by the right. That is how beautiful it is. Then another extension, which is number 3, is called Productor for Merch. Yes, a lot of people use this Productor for Merch, which is called okay, look at it, Productor for Merch. Yes, I have it here. When I was talking about, you can see we're talking about Amazon Search Expander. We talk of Titan Quick View. Now we've talked about this one, which is Amazon DS Quick View. Then we are going to the next one, Productor for Merch. So over my extension, I talked about Productor for Merch. You see all these are all opened. Then I'm here. Then let's just open this extension again. We have Productor for Merch. So I'm going to move down here. Productor for Merch by Amazon. I'm going to just click on it. Look at it. Productor for Merch by Amazon. Search for it and ensure you turn it on. What this do for you is it's going to search for all four keyword they are using, all the keyword the person used that make his book good. Then suggested keywords going to tell you many other stuffs. So now what we're going to do now we've turned this on, we're going to click on reload. But I don't like using all of them at once because it makes the page speed slower. Yes, it doesn't make this to run fast. So I better turn it off. You can see it's opening. This one too up here is opening. But in case your phone does not support Titan Quick View, you can install this one. That is why I decided to show you this particular extension and how beautiful. You see, it can tell you the sales rank, rocket seller, review, ads, the price, and all these stuffs, the page it is, and you can export all this. You can select and export. So you can see this one is coming up and this one is coming up. This is burning a lot of data from your phone. When I mean data, it means whether you're using MTN in Nigeria, you're using Glo in Nigeria. I don't know other countries what they use. If you're using Starlink, your choice. It means you are using much data. Instead of just using the two, it's advisable you use this and you use this one. While we wait for this to load, we want to check the next extension we'll be considering over here, which is we're talking about this. Then we'll be going to the last one called Paid Tools. Paid Tools is very, very important. Very, very important. That's what I've been using currently. But I believe everything I've talked about in this, it's enough to give you much money, starting from using this website, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. I've explained everything. I've talked about this. I've talked about this. I've talked about this. I've talked about this. Then we are in the Productor for Merch. Let's see if it is up. Then it's still coming up, trying to prepare the result. That is one thing about using many extensions in just one phone. Imagine this is a phone, it's going to take much time. So now it's saying the result is not yet out. This one is out already. This one is taking much time. In case yours is not working, just know either there is an update that is coming up or you have to be patient enough. All right, so if this is beautiful, you know you have enjoyed some stuff. What I've said in this video is something what you can take your time. You can take your time and go through this video again and again. Then in my next video, I'll really be talking about something very, very important, which is the paid tool. We'll be talking about the paid tool of this. So now, I know you are not new to my YouTube channel, but if you are new, this is your first time, see my channel. This is very beautiful for us. What I mean for us, this is dedicated to KDP. We'll all be talking about some stuff, how KDP can be useful, other update that will be coming on KDP. And if you have any other extensions I did not mention or website, please at the comment section, drop it so that it can be of help to other people. And if you want a Canva Pro account, you want me to be your friend, you can check the link here and send me a DM directly, or you just felt like connecting with me, then you can send me a message. Then I will connect with you and we will flow and talk about the goodness of Amazon. Trust me, there are a lot of things. So check the description of this video. The 3 videos are ready. The 3 videos should be ready. The link for this should be ready. What I mean by the 3 videos is the first one we talked about is this, the free KDP keyword tools. We've talked about the use of website. We've talked about extensions. Then we'll talk about the paid. I want you to watch all of them and be informed so that you will not be what? I don't know about that though. So thank you for subscribing. Thank you for giving me a like. Share to your friends anywhere they are so that they can get data, because data is life. Data analysis, it's life. Thank you for watching. Thank you for doing Amazon. If you want to be a friend and want me to mentor you as well, you can send me a DM. I believe I have some royalty in this place, which I showed in my last video. This month I've not been good so far. Let me just see what's happening in this month. So you can see we just have few 16 orders. The month is still going well. So send me a DM and we will. Some are doing better than this, but this is without ad. As time goes on, I'll be making video now to run ad. So stay tuned to my channel and don't forget to turn the notification bell as well. Thank you for your time and thank you for your watching. Thank you for watching. My name is what? Austin. See you on the inside.